Hey guys, I created this video so you can know how to navigate Canvas. So once you get on Canvas, go to the Math 180 Canvas page. You should see this right here with all your logins. Sorry guys. You should see this with all your different classes. Make sure you go to Math 180, or it could just say Math Resources. Click on that and you should see this. Guys, you see these little boxes? They're pictures. Some of you guys may see them, some of you may not. That's okay though. It's words in there. This is very important for you to do. It's a daily attendance. You see you have your words on here. It's a Monday attendance, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. When you click on that, it will take you to something that looks like this. Daily attendance, must do each day. This is very important. You answer these questions and then you go back to your home page on Canvas. When you get back to your home page on Canvas, I want you to know that under the bottom here, you have weekly math activities. So what you have is one for each day. There's an anchor video. If it says anchor video, click on it. It'll take you to a YouTube page that'll let you look at a short video. That will help you answer the questions from the do now. Guys, it's very important that you do the do now that's highlighted in blue. Everything that's underlined, make sure you click on it. Very important. You have a do now that you're responsible for. It's a video which tells you what you have to do, and then you go and you click on it and it will bring you to a place where you have a PDF. You can download that PDF, you can write on it, or you can write in a notebook and take a picture. But make sure you upload your assignment because it's a grade. Also, you have a practice. It's a video showing and explaining you how to do it. It's very important that you click on the word practice that's highlighted and underlined in blue. It will be a PDF there. It's an assignment. Make sure you complete it. You can write on the PDF or do it in your notebook. Make sure you take a picture if you do. Upload it. It will be a grade. Same for the exit ticket. This is everything you've learned for that assignment. Just making sure you know how to do it. Make sure you do it. You're also going to see in the orange down here where it says software. Software is a Math 180 app that should be on your iPad. On that Math 180 app, I will eventually send you guys a username and a password. I will send that to your email, so be checking it. I will even put a link on my Canvas homepage that says username and password. Check your email, so I will remind you. Once I give you that, you will go to that app and log in and work on it for 15 minutes on 2 days a week. This is important because I can see how often you go in there. You can go in there as many times as you would like. Just make sure you get at least 15 minutes 2 days a week. I will be able to tell when you're working. This is very important to help you with your math. Guys, I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much.